2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, power door locks, power windows, power seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.